subscribe, like, comment, and share. So as you guys see on title, but don't forget that when you subscribe to another post notification bell, comment first or whatever you want to comment, but no negative things though, and you will be in the shout out. Okay, so as you guys see on title, I'm gonna be like how I feel. I did how I feel about the little ad for my first video on my YouTube channel. Is gonna be the little vibes on stage now. Alright. One thing though, you see, like every time when people, not everybody, but when little vibes are vibes cartel children, when them come on stage every minute, your words, and I must mind words. Me say every minute me want some money. If this Winford be like, is your words? No. So alright. I said it before, but me I say it again. If him there little pitney like me, hold on there. If him there little pitney like me, then you could have seen, yeah, man, you have him right for me or something. But not because me a little pitney, me can work for myself. And the boy them a big boy now, and them can make look to them not because them father a word boss. He means say and I feed them words. No, not because them father is the word boss doesn't mean that it's for them words. Does it matter? So that's my reaction. I'm more to it still. You see, after him act that he did go frequently and stuff, yeah man, I like it. But the part of me there for come tell you, come address is when keep on ask people about is this your words, is this your lyrics, and I must feel them on lyrics. Master, this ain't gonna be a long video, so allow me to subscribe, like, comment, and share. If you want to do my reaction video, remember I'm doing posting with a shout out.